What's good, YouTube? Ron TV, and I'm back with another video. Nah, that is corny as that is typical YouTuber. I am not them, I am him. Remember that. Yeah. What up? Welcome to the channel. Dab me up. Alright, now we locked in now. Listen, man, you can see by the title, I'm giving you guys a tutorial how to put the ropes in on your Air Force 1s. You probably seen this video a dozen times on your shorts feed, people doing different color waves. But today, I'm gonna keep it simple. If you're a beginner, this video is perfectly for you. Smash that like button for me if you found this video anywhat helpful. And if you're new to the channel, man, I don't wanna talk your heads off. Help me out. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, alright? I'm trying to move out my mom crib. Help a nigga out, alright? I feel like I'm chatting. Alright, let's get right to it. I'm trying to get right. Let's go. First, you need this rope, 10mm by 19 yards, some shrink wrap. Get yourself a nice drill. These are the bit attachments you need to make the holes in the Air Force 1s. A heat gun, some tape. I recommend art tape instead, and a ruler of some sort. If you are having difficulties finding these products, I will have a link in the bio. At an affordable price on Amazon, you can find them. Take a look and check that out. First, you want to start off by unlacing both shoes. Get rid of those shoelaces because you don't need them. Take your drill. Then you want to take the last bit at the end, which is 3/16 and a half, and apply that to the drill. Get you some art tape and tape the second to last ridge on this bit. This is where you want to stop when you drilling the holes. Oh. Take the tongue and stuff it all the way to the front so you won't mess up the tongue. Make sure to spread your fingers so you won't have any accidents. Make sure you guys also have that drill bit. If you guys are having difficulty making the holes, I would suggest turning the shoe over to the side. It is much easier this way, but also remember to spread your fingers so you won't have any accidents. Take your blow dryer, blow out the excess lint. Check that out. Clean holes. Next, you want to take your rope and extend it 6 inches longer than the regular Air Force 1 lace. Take your rope, twist it up as tight as you can, and wrap it in some tape. This is going to make it way easier for you to get the rope through the holes you've just made. I would suggest sitting down and actually lacing them up as if you were putting on the shoe. This is way easier, way faster. Check it out. Look how it came out. Right to the other shoe. Lace that up real quick. Check it out. Nice and clean. Next, you want to take your shrink wrap and take the largest tube of shrink wrap out of there and measure to about 1 inch. Chop it off. Use it as a reference for the other side of your rope. And back to what I was saying before about the tape. It makes it easier for the shrink wrap to go through smoothly. And I measured to just below the Nike check. That's what I felt like it looked the best at. Next, you guys want to take your heat gun, turn it on. Make sure you guys pull a little bit down on the shrink wrap so it can actually melt that on the rope. And while you're heating the shrink wrap, make sure you rotate it so it can melt even like this. Clean. Check it. This is the finishing product for the Air Force 1s with the rope laces. Let me know how y'all feel about them in the comments. Fire or not. If you don't want to customize your own shoes or go through the hassle of customizing your own shoes, hit me up on Instagram and we can talk pricing. Like, very reasonable. But you gotta be willing to pay that bag though. Check out how they look on my feet. Step on them. Gritty. Sheesh. Y'all see how I was stepping? Y'all see my gritty? I feel like I did my thing on those, boy. How y'all think I did? Rated from 1 to 10 in the chat. If they was trash, put the trash emoji in the chat. I think they was fire. Spam the chat with fire emojis if you thought it was fire. You know what I'm saying? And that was my first time ever doing any type of custom pair of shoes. You feel me? First time. I feel like I like doing this. I want to go into airbrushing next. So if y'all got any ideas or any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. I want to say thank you for watching this video. I couldn't do it without you. Yes, you watching right now. I appreciate you. It's the end of the video. I want to say thank you. Y'all be safe out here, man. Love is love. Holla at y'all. Be good.